I will show you how to find your YouTube channel link from your phone, so let's get into the video. When we open YouTube app, this is the screen we see. In this screen, we need to click YouTube profile icon. In this screen, we need to click the channel name that's visible in the top. And in the channel page, we need to click the 3 vertical dotted More option. In the drop-down menu, we need to select Share tab. And from the pop-up screen, we can click on the social media icon and share it to the social media sites. Or we can click Copy Link icon and paste the YouTube channel link in emails or any other chat apps, like WhatsApp, Snapchat, or any social apps. You can see, I am sharing the channel link in Snapchat Friends chat window to promote it and drive traffic to my YouTube channel. I am hoping this content was of help to you. You can subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification icon to get new updates when I more tutorial content like this.